back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So as you can see from the description or the title below, we do have a brand new subscription to our channel to unbox today, and I'm super excited to do so. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, but it is the statement box. This was very kindly sent to me for review, which I do greatly appreciate, so thank you so much. Now, this is, I believe, a fairly new subscription, which is awesome. And you will receive a brand new pair of statement earrings each month. Now, this is $16 a month with free shipping. I will put a link to their website down below, but I think it's fun because, you know, we have, you know, our regular earrings and stuff, but to actually get like statement earrings, I think is really awesome. And $16 a month with free shipping is not bad. So let's take a look and see just what this is all about. I'm super excited to see. And this is the July 2019 box. So when we open it, this is what we see. So it comes with a cute little box and the little ribbon done around it. Oh, y'all, these are pretty. I don't have anything like this. Oh, these are super pretty. These are like the resin, which I know is really, really in right now. I don't have any earrings like this, and I really do like these. Now, I'm gonna take these out. I know these don't match, but I do want to see what they look like because they look super cute. They're not heavy, which is awesome. Oh my god, y'all. Those are so cute. I love them. I think, you know what? I think I am gonna keep wearing them today. They don't match my necklace, but they do match my shirt, and I think they look super cute. What do y'all think? I love these. So, yeah, I absolutely love, like, I love these so much. These are just adorable. Yeah, like, I love these. Thank you so much, Statement Box, for sending this to me to review. I do greatly appreciate it. These earrings are absolutely gorgeous. And again, they are super light. Like, it honestly doesn't even feel like I have earrings in, except for I can feel them moving a little bit. Other than that, I would not even know I had earrings in. They're very lightweight, which I love, and I think they're so cute, and they definitely do make a fun statement, which is the point, and I love that. So again, it is $16 a month, free shipping. You can't beat it, you guys. I think these are gorgeous. I can't wait to see what they have for August, because again, this is for July. So if you like these earrings, you could definitely head over to their website, which I will put a link down below, and pick you up this same pair. So, yay! I am always excited for new subscriptions. I love jewelry subscriptions, and I think these are just beautiful. So, again, thank you so much to the Statement Box. I do appreciate it. Again, you guys, I will put that link down below, so head over, check them out, grab you this beautiful pair of earrings, and let's wait and see what August has in store. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.